You see that monkey there? Monkey is so common here. They behave as if they are the one that owns this place. So this is the children playground section of the nature park. See the monkey walking freely, and some of them are on the tree. This is the symbol of the nature park. One of them, the peacocks. They have two peacocks. You see all those shaking trees. They are all monkeys' activity. See monkey climbing that tree. It's like where they do their moral assembly every morning and assign their self position or duty post for the day. So we are still going. We are walking into the peacock here. This is another peacock. So they have three peacocks. They have three of them. And this one is higher. The first two. It's a long walk. We are still walking down. We are heading towards the well where is it skeleton or bone of the well that was eaten by the community during the Ebola crisis. One of the wells that was washed offshore. Since I came to this place, I have witnessed two incidents like that. Well being washed offshore. I think one happened was it last year? Yes, one happened last year. One happened to 18. And another one. This is one of the beauties of the nature park, Finima Nature Park. Everywhere is barricade. Everywhere is barricade. You have a pedestrian walk where you can, where you are restricted not to exceed. So when you look at this video, you see that everything here is still natural. This is nature, no artificial, no cement work have been done here. In fact, I don't think there will be any need for cement work. I don't think there will be any need for cement work because this is the conservation center where people and children are taught of the culture and the natural heritage of the Bonny town. And this Finima Nature Park is situated in a town or a community called Finima. The nature park is situated at a community called Finima, the host community to Nigeria NLNG, and that's where their operational base is. So we'll walk down. The nature park walk is about 15 kilometer, 15 kilometer, and we'll walk for an hour, 45 minutes or 2 hours. But we'll have various resting points, and we are not going alone. We have some nature park guards and the services of armed policemen or mobile policemen that will be with us on this walk. Stay tuned with us as I bring you updates. This nature park actually share boundary with Nigeria NLNG residential area, the ROA. Let me show you through the fence. These are the first set of people on the walk, and this is the fence, the fence demarcation between Nigeria NLNG residential area and the nature park. And you see this water boundary, the water line, and other is part of the security measures. This water is channeled naturally to the sea behind the residential quarters. So let's go. The lady on a sweater, that has sweat on her waist, is part of the workers at the nature park. I think the photographer. You see some expatriates and some other people that came out for the walk. This is just the first set, and the way the walk is, you don't go in so much crowd. They break it down in groups. So this is the first group, and I happen to be among the first group, but I won't be showing much because I'll be covering the work for the team and for my channel. As you're hearing one of the evidence of nature, the Bani language, photographer and the lady behind speaking the Bani language. Dion blue canvas is Tochi, one of the teachers in Arrow International School, and the engineers, the expatriates, their spouse, their children. And we have some people at the far end of the nature park, some expatriates waiting to join us. They pass us while we are trekking on a car, so they are waiting. We'll look up with them on this walk. This walk will not be an easy one because something like this happened last in 2019 April. But since the advent of COVID, movement like this stops because of COVID. For now, since 2019 April, this is the first time we are having a walk, and I believe things are falling back while we are so observing COVID protocol, nose mask and social distance. Stay with us on this walk and you will enjoy the updates rolling. We are close to another session of the nature park where the walk will properly begin. This is the walkway down there, but we are going to the well cage. The well cage, you see, Finima Nature Park, first walkway trail, watching is prohibited. So they have rules. They have rules. So we are here already.
So good morning, everybody. Good morning, sir. My name is Finima. Nice to see you. This happy if not within this area, only this one alone, yes. But you know that I live as a play the video coverage for people have seen our back. That's so much of these some dangerous animals. They have a fear of it, say maybe there is a elephant, tiger, and then anaconda, and they come and attack people. No. But there are other ones that we have seen them. When you enter their territory, just harass you, what the fly, the bee, all those insects are very, very dangerous. But to have enough store, this is our walkway. Then our walkway on a rainy day, not allowed, especially here for the safety of the humans. We too, in one of our five pillar conversation, safety is one of our pillars. Just like the energy pillar. So, no one is allowed to walk in. If permit maybe for 2 meters where the board, say yes, that board not the same.
Share. And this call of the monkey.
Since it is like that now, you can do like 200 meters here, and then come back and go for other activities. What we have here, I have the weapon here, I have the video games. The video game you are free to play, but you also have the rules here that you can be on the top. You remove your shoe or your canvas so that the top will also look very, very nice. And that is not, you are free to play. If there's any questions, it's very, very clear. One, this one is bigger than the one from the top. And then this one too can swim. They can swim and also fly. Yeah, the shell, one, the size. If the other one, the size too will tell you that yes, this is a sea turtle. Yeah, this one is small now. The sea turtle is bigger than the land here. Bigger, yes, not the history of this one, so we cannot go into too much into 2014 that we got this one at the side here. The other one 2017, we also got at the side here, at the sea side. When they give up. Yeah, when they give up. The other one by the side, 2017. Yes. Now this one is the 2020 COVID palliative. Yes, 2020 COVID palliative.
Yes.
So you have pictures and paste it now when people were hacking.
So you saw the picture now and other things. Yes. That is 2020 COVID. So, but our concern is that we are trying to ask people questions: what is happening into their habitats as they are dying regularly? If not, the history told us that maybe if one finally give up, maybe it will be once in 20 years or more than. Maybe no too much human attacks. But recently now, if you count this one, just in the space of 3 months, nobody knows in the next 3 months whether another one will still happen. So what is actually happens in the habitat? That is our concern. So we're not trying to tell us that yes, we have to control our own waste that we manufacture at our own homes or anywhere. Because those that we drop somewhere and the water carries them to the sea, and then when they are on their feeding, their mouth is as wide as. So whatever within that region, when they collect it, for them it's a puzzle. It's a puzzle. Hotspot conflict. So that's why I see them tying, regularly like that. If not, like that.
But again, you say it's regular that.
Yeah, the lifespan.
If you don't have that data, it's just an assumption.
Yeah, it's we are trying to, because sometimes to we release some of these animals to without
But you
tax.
don't tag them.
Yes, without tax. So
You can learn.
yeah, those times sometimes these species that we release, we still come we arrange them some of these snakes. So if there is tax, you know that yes, this
There's
is
one
what we
particular bird that they say migrates from one country to
But if you
the
don't
other.
tag
That
them,
is that it comes once in 3 years or something.
Australia, from Australia.
From Australia.
Yes, we have. Yes, the bird traveled from Australia to Benin. It's on internet.
So it was okay. It was tied. It was
Yes, it was tagged.
maybe they attacked them in Australia.
Australia, yeah.
And noticed they were going to somewhere strange.
exactly.
That they come after some time, they go back.
They go back.
Australia. Yes.
So this web bone, just like I said previously, is for 214. This one was last year, 2020 palliative. They call this 2020 palliative. The well was washed offshore and the community ate up the flesh before the bone was gathered and deposited here. This one is for 2017. They ate and ate even the bones, leaving only the skull. So we have three incidents of wells here. This 2017, this 2020, and this 2014, this big one. This 2014 was like this because it was a time of Ebola, so people were scared to eat it. I think 2014 or 2016, people were scared to eat it. But this one, the other one behind, happened last year. I witnessed it. People went there with sawing machine to cut and scrape up the flesh. Why this for 2017? They ate both the bone, leaving only the skull for the nature park officials to pick. Stay tuned. Monkeys around on this walk. I would like to get 10,000 likes for this video. 10,000 likes for this video. Thank you.
Guide them to that area and then keep them whenever they are thinking. Now, they are running. Like the way that is the rain, the weather is bad, and that nobody is allowed to walk in. This path now is about 200 meters. The sun has nothing to have to say. You can walk in this river and so and so. If you can communicate. You're not the one that you irritated to the animals. Do not play a music here. And then the children also to be guided by the harbor. Thank you. Now, this is a plan that you don't I want somebody to touch. Please.
So it's good for those that want to commit suicide. Just go and kill.
Thank you. Any questions? All right. All right. Are you going with them?
I'm the 13th person on the walk. So we are doing 200 meters, and this is part of the main walk, where the main walk begins. And it's open. On invitation, you come and meet them. They will grant you permission to take you on the walk and also teach you what you need to know about the place.
This very one where it snaps so now be this one.
Okay, when it's open, it will. Wow. Okay, this is a finished product. The finished product of this.
When the season come up now, the water now will rise up, and the one in the Goro pit now, yes, enter to the harvest pit now. No, it's there's no salt. If there is salt, the salt content will be below 5. Yeah, not like the other. Yeah, if it is so, it will kill the plant. And then if you want to taste it, if you put your hands inside and put the water, within 5 minutes, you see leech. This fucking blood.
Plenty leaf.
So wherever there is leech, know that there is no sulfur. Give them the- So, thank you very much for your comment.
Very good. We sabi something. Let's revise.
We are still entering the season and the